like magic, be like fire.
Transform your space with gadgets that bring order and simplicity. From smart storage solutions to clever organizers, the right tools make keeping your home neat and efficient easier than ever. In this video, we have listed the latest Amazon gadgets to help organize your home. All the mentioned gadgets links are in the description. Get comfortable, because here we go. Number 15. Jewelry Cabinet. This jewelry cabinet is designed to keep your accessories organized and easily accessible. Its solid MDF structure ensures long-lasting durability, while the full-length mirror is framed to prevent fingerprints. Inside, 6 soft LED lights automatically turn on when the door is opened, providing gentle lighting to help you select your jewelry without disturbing anyone. The cabinet features plenty of storage space with a large ring cushion, bracelet rod, 2 drawers, 5 shelves, 32 necklace hooks, 48 stud earring holes, and 90 earring slots. The full-length mirror offers a clear head-to-toe view, and its real glass ensures no distorted reflections. You can mount it on the wall or hang it over the door with included brackets, saving valuable floor space. Number 14. Clothes Drying Rack. This wall-mounted clothes drying rack is designed to save space with its tri-folding feature. When not in use, it can be easily folded against the wall, taking up minimal space. The sturdy rack is built with a thick base and can hold up to 220 pounds, making it durable enough to hold multiple clothes at once. It's perfect for various locations, including your balcony, bathroom, laundry room, or even by a bedroom window, allowing you to dry clothes in the sun. Made from high-quality space aluminum, the rack is rust-resistant, durable, and resistant to acid and alkali. It can be installed with or without drilling, making it simple to set up on smooth surfaces like ceramic tiles. Number 13. Magnetic Key Rack. This magnetic key rack is designed to help organize your keys, mail, and other essentials in one place. It features 6 key hooks and a tray that holds items securely. The strong magnet allows it to be attached to metal surfaces like fridges or mounted on walls with the included screws. It can support up to 4.4 pounds, so you can store more than just keys. Made of durable powder-coated steel, this key holder not only looks elegant, but is built to last for years. It's part of a collection of smart organizational products that add convenience to your home with clever design features, ensuring practicality and style. Number 12. Wire Protector. This 10-foot cable sleeve is designed to protect and organize your wires, including USB cables, power cords, and audio/video cables. With a 1/2-inch diameter, the split loom makes it easy to load cables, and once they're in place, the sleeve securely closes on itself. It's made to withstand temperatures from 103 degrees Fahrenheit to 257 degrees Fahrenheit, with a melt temperature of 446 degrees Fahrenheit. This cable protector is perfect for managing wires in home audio setups, automotive systems, and more. It also helps keep pets, like cats, from chewing under cords. UL recognized for safety. It keeps your cables neat and tidy, eliminating messes in your home or office. Number 11. Bed Risers. These stackable furniture risers provide a simple way to lift your furniture, creating extra storage space underneath. The 3-inch risers are made from sturdy, anti-slip plastic that won't scratch floors and can hold up to 2,200 pounds of weight. You can use them to raise beds, desks, chairs, sofas, tables, and cabinets. The risers can be stacked for added height if needed. With their sturdy design, these risers not only help you organize by giving you more storage space, but also improve airflow under furniture, which can help reduce dust. They also provide a slight elevation, which may benefit people with back pain or those who want to enhance their sleep. Number 10. Sweetcrispy Coffee Table. This lift-top coffee table is a stylish and practical addition to any living room or office. It features a beautiful finish and textured feel, matching your space's decor perfectly. The tabletop easily lifts up to 6.3 inches, holding up to 11 pounds, to create a comfortable workspace, so you don't have to lean forward to use your laptop. The table also works great as a dining or homework surface. It offers spacious storage, with a hidden compartment for books, snacks, and more, as well as two side shelves for easy access to remote controls or other items. The table's sturdy construction ensures stability and smooth operation, and it's easy to assemble with the included parts and instructions. Number 9. Sofa Armrest Tray. This armrest tray is made from durable acacia wood, offering a long-lasting and sustainable alternative to plastic. The tray features a 360-degree rotating foam holder, perfect for watching videos from any angle, with an ergonomic design that fits armrests of various shapes and sizes. It's a great solution for keeping your remote, drinks, snacks, or phone within easy reach. The tray has protective guardrails to prevent items from falling, and its smooth surface makes it easy to clean. Installation is simple. Just clip it on and off without tools, making it perfect for small spaces like apartments or dorms. The tray folds down to save space and features a non-slip design to keep it securely in place. Number 8. Utensils Hooks. These under-cabinet hooks offer a simple, nail-free installation. Just slide the rack over your cabinet or pantry shelf, remove the protective film, and secure it without damaging your walls or cabinets. Made from high-quality plastic with a rust-resistant coating, each hook can hold up to 2 kilograms of weight. The hooks rotate 360 degrees, providing easy access to your kitchen utensils or tools. With 6 hooks on each, they make it simple to hang and organize your kitchen items. These versatile hooks are not only perfect for the kitchen, but also great for hanging coffee cups, towels, keys, bags, and more, helping you save space and organize areas like closets, kitchens, or entryways. Number 7. Makeup Organizer. This organizer is built with durable, heavy-duty materials that ensure it won't crack or wear out, providing long-lasting use. Its spacious design helps keep skincare products, perfumes, brushes, and daily essentials neatly upright and secure, eliminating the mess and chaos of spills. The detachable sections make cleaning easy. Simply remove and wipe down or wash for a hassle-free experience. The raised base and smooth drawers give it a sleek, stylish look, making it a perfect fit for any space, whether it's a vanity, dresser, desk, or kitchen. It offers a blend of functionality and aesthetics, helping you stay organized while enhancing your home's decor. Number 6. Under-Desk Drawer Organizer. This pull-down shelf organizer is designed to make accessing hard-to-reach items easy. It features a gas-assisted 2-tier system that pulls down 11.5 inches and extends 16.75 inches from the cabinet, allowing easy access to pantry or cabinet contents. The organizer can be mounted to either the floor or the interior side of the cabinet and locks in the down position for hands-free use. Made with heavy-gauge plated metal wire, it's perfect for taller cabinets and can hold a lot of weight. The set includes the pull-down shelving unit and mounting hardware, and multiple units can be installed together for even more storage. This family-owned company has been offering practical and stylish storage solutions for kitchens, bathrooms, and homes since 1984. Number 5. Tree Bookshelf. This bookshelf combines modern and vintage styles, adding a unique touch and warm atmosphere to your home. With its functional design, it's perfect for holding books, CDs, magazines, video games, and decorations. It offers 6 storage spaces, each holding 5 to 10 books. Its compact size and open design make it ideal for small rooms, corners, or offices, and it fits well in living rooms or bedrooms. Made from durable, high-quality material, it's built to last. The bookshelf features a reinforced backboard for added strength and includes anti-tip straps for safety. Easy to assemble with clear instructions, and a waterproof surface that's simple to clean with a damp cloth. Number 4. Towel Holder. This towel holder is designed to simplify your life with a modern, user-friendly design. Made from eco-friendly materials, it offers durability without compromising quality. The holder comes in various colors to fit any home style and securely holds towels without damaging them. Installation is flexible. Either use the self-adhesive tape for flat surfaces or mount it with screws and dowels. It's perfect for hanging hand towels, dishcloths, gloves, aprons, and more in the kitchen or bathroom. The silicone grips ensure towels stay in place without causing damage, allowing easy placement and removal. With a sleek chrome-plated plastic body, this towel holder combines elegance and sturdiness, providing long-lasting use and a premium user experience. Number 3. Mail Holder Organizer. This wall-mounted organizer is made from solid wood with a distressed, torched finish, giving it a rustic, vintage charm. The dark brown color adds a warm, timeless touch to any space. The organizer features 3 5x13-inch compartments, providing ample space for storing mail, letters, magazines, file folders, and more. Each compartment includes an erasable chalkboard label, making it easy to categorize and organize your items. This functional and stylish piece is perfect for keeping your mail and documents organized, while adding a decorative element to your home or office. The sturdy design and rustic finish make it an attractive and practical storage solution for any room. Number 2. Storage containers. Maximize your space with this underbed storage solution, measuring 30.7 by 16.9 by 6.69 inches. Perfect for storing shoes, seasonal clothes, blankets, sheets, and extra bedding. It fits easily under beds or in closets. The storage features 4 smooth gliding 360-degree wheels, 2 of which are lockable, making it easy to slide under furniture. For added flexibility, the wheels can be removed for use in stationary areas like closets or dorms. The sturdy metal frame supports up to 15 kilograms, and the fabric is easy to clean with a simple wipe. The clear waterproof window and dual zipper design allow easy access to your items, keeping them organized and dust-free. Assembly is quick and easy, with the included tools and instructions. Number 1. Power Tool Organizer. This power tool organizer offers 3 tiers with 8 slots to efficiently store your electric tools. The top tier includes a built-in charging station, so you can charge your tools while they are stored. With a 7-foot power cord, the charging station supports 15-ampere 125 volts, alternating current 1875 watts 60 Hz. Made from sturdy alloy and double-layered metal plates, this rack is built to last and can hold a variety of tools and accessories. The middle layer can be adjusted or removed to fit items of different heights, offering customizable storage. Installation is easy. Whether mounting on wood, concrete, or a pegboard, it provides a dedicated space for all your tools, from drills and screwdrivers to chargers and batteries, helping keep your garage organized. That's all for today's video. I hope you found these gadgets helpful in organizing your home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making your space more functional and stylish. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.